What's happening, you legends? Welcome to AdvSouthAfrica. Guys, I'm sure you saw the title. My triple clamp has arrived. You know what this means? We're gonna go on over to fat bars on the Crf110f, and I'm doing a giveaway in this video, so definitely stick around and let's get into it. Guys, the anticipation for this part has been unreal. I've been waiting a couple weeks for it. It's finally arrived. I've managed to tap and drill, put all the hardware in, all stainless steel hardware, in addition to the two ones that hold the handlebar risers on. I'm lucky enough that I managed to find a set of fat bar risers. This gives me the ability to run the fat bars on the pity, and I'm going to show you exactly why. Okay, so here you can see exactly how bent the bars are. I took a hammering on the left, and that just kinked them the wrong way. So here you can see how skinny it got. I mean, the normal width of the bar is there. It got extremely skinny. I cased it once, bent the bar down, bent it back up. We went and raced again, and that's when they went all out of whack and all skews. You can even see this crossbar here is actually bent, so it obviously was a decent impact, but these bars are just so soft. The fat bars are gonna fix all of these issues. The only thing I don't know yet is where I'm gonna be mounting my light, but we'll figure that out after the fact. So we now know that these bars behind me are absolute scrap. Every time I bail, the one time I just cased, bent them down. They're obviously too soft. We need stronger bars, so let's go ahead, strip this off. Before I go ahead and fit this triple clamp, I just want to finish off the machining process on this just a little bit, just to make them that little bit nicer. And then we're gonna slap the fat bars on the pity and see how she handles. I can't wait. Woo! So what are we waiting for? Let's get stripping. Woo! Goodbye to bent bars. Look at that, boys. Woo! That really took a tumble. Time to whip out the big boy. For the size of that socket, 30 millimeters. Here you can see the two triple clamps. They're obviously very different, rocking very different heights as well. Let's see if I can get a side-by-side comparison for you there. This will obviously take the fat bar in addition, which is just an extra bonus. You can put a handlebar riser on the stock bar and run a fat bar, but you don't have a lot of height adjustment. Then the stock bar has these two number plate holders, which are little tags that I didn't want to put on the billet one. We'll just run a plate with some riv nuts there, as well as two drill holes to hold the ignition and low fuel light. So on this one, we're going to be drilling and tapping. We'll be taking a plate that has two riv nuts, as well as the original plate that will hold our ignition and low fuel switch. So let's go ahead, get machining, and then I think I'm going to be sandblasting this triple clamp just to give it an extra finished look. Okay, using the vernier, I can see this bolt is a 6mm bolt, which means we're going to be drilling the holes here as a 5mm hole. A 5.2 would be ideal, but a 5mm hole, and tapping a 6. Now before we go ahead and fit this triple clamp to the bike, I wanted to let you guys in on the competition I'm going to be running. If you want to win a dope beanie like this for you and your best mates, go to my Instagram at AdvSouthAfrica, go through to the beanie post, give it a like, tag your best mates, and you guys will be in for the running. Now let's get this fitted and get it wrapped up. Oh yes, fat bars have never felt so good. Well, for the most part, everything's fitted. None of the cables are snagging on anything. Got my speedometer mount over there, so that's all good. I've just thought I'd film before I put the bar pad on, because once the bar pad's on, obviously you're not really going to be able to see much. But we're much wider now. Well, here we have it. Nice wide bars on the pity. Got the bar pad. Don't have the light fitted yet. Gonna see how I'm gonna do the light. Might mount it lower down or something like that. Worry about that at a later stage. We're not night riding at the moment. The bars are about the same height as the bars that I had on before, but they are definitely wider. We've got full range of motion. The triple clamp does not touch. Does not touch the frame at all, so we know that triple clamp's good. It's clearing, the bars are good, they're nice and tight on, everything's feeling like it should there. My range of motion is good. I just touched my leg there on the throttle side, but when I'm cornering, that leg's going to be down and out, so it's really not a concern. So let's give them a test. First ride with fat bars. Yeah, they're feeling good. Woo! Nice little wheelie over there. That is feeling good. Nice and easy to pull her up. Woo! Gonna leave her in third now. Yeah. Feeling very good, very stable. Doesn't feel like my legs are at all in the way, but nice and wide, keeping those elbows out. It's feeling good. Woo! So what's quite nice is I'm not getting any throttle snagging. As you can see, I'm off the throttle with full tilt. No worries. What more do you want out of a set of bars, boys? I absolutely love that smooth riding, that lift the front tire sort of stuff. See how she does with let's see how she does with some tighter cornering. Let's see if I can I'm gonna try double back and come over the sort of center here. I just want to really turn it in. Obviously I don't really have a berm yet, so we'll see. Yeah, she's feeling good. Feeling stable as ever, actually. Woo! Well, there you have it, guys. Fat bar conversion on the Crf110f. Everything is looking good here. Like I said, triple clamps are not touching the frame, which was an important thing when it came to designing them up. The bars are feeling really good. Everything's nice and tight. We've actually got so much handlebar space that I got space for GoPro mounts and stuff as well. Couldn't have asked for more. I'm so damn chuffed with that. Shot for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.